Are you looking for a secluded property? Are you looking for something that's close to town? Are you looking for plenty of acreage and privacy? This may be the perfect property for you. Welcome to W1800 County Road B in Genoa City. It has multiple buildings, multiple barns, main house that is a gorgeous Frank Lloyd Wright inspired ranch, guest house, bunk houses, and the best equestrian center I have ever seen in Southeast Wisconsin. Let's take a look. Welcome to a rare and enchanting equestrian sanctuary just minutes from Lake Geneva, where over 50 gently rolling acres unfold into a private world of beauty, purpose, and peace. Ride through lush pastures, a cross-country course with a water complex, and wooded trails beside Nippersink Creek. The 25,000 plus square foot Morton-built Equestrian Center is a dream come true, with 19 stalls, heated floors, indoor arena, and one-bedroom trainer apartment. Zoned A1 with conservation areas, natural gas supply, multiple wells and septics, and thoughtful infrastructure throughout. The prairie-style home offers serene pond views, Viking appliances, and a cozy fireplace. A second ranch home, charming vintage barn, orchard, and a spring-fed pond add to the magic. A legacy opportunity for those who live to ride. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at 1800 County Road B in Genoa City. It is an exquisite property and we would love to show it to you in person. So please reach out with any questions or a time to show. If you have any questions about our market here in southern Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks on leading your best horse life. Cheers.